Hello everyone. Are you looking to enhance your video editing capabilities in Adobe Premiere Pro? Today I will show you how to install custom plugins to expand your toolkit. So now let's get started. First, find and download the plugin you wish to install from a reputable source. Ensure it is compatible with your version of Adobe Premiere Pro. Now most plugins come with an installer. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. If the plugin doesn't have an installer, you will need to manually place the plugin files into the appropriate directory. Now open the Adobe Premiere Pro. The application should automatically recognize the new plugin upon startup. Now to confirm the plugin is installed, go to the Effects panel and search for the plugin by name. If it is listed, the installation was successful. Now drag and drop the plugin onto your footage in the timeline to apply its effects. Adjust the settings as needed in the Effect Controls panel. And that's it. You have successfully installed a custom plugin in Adobe Premiere Pro, enhancing your editing capabilities. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.